Hey all. Well, do you always complain of having a bloated feeling all the time, or a big belly, having a big belly most of the time throughout the day? Well, this is due to sluggish bowel movement and proper indigestion or proper gut health. Well, these two factors mainly lead to constipation, fluid retention, then allergies, lack of sleep, stress, and also other digestive disorders. Now, it's basically the buildup of gas, solid, and even liquid in our digestive system. Now, let me give you some 5 tips that you can practice daily in the morning to avoid these symptoms, this bloated feeling or heavy feeling. It's very disturbing, right? Now, number 1, I would suggest, of course, you should have a healthy breakfast. I'm a strong believer of that. But I wouldn't recommend us to have breakfast 30 minutes after, as soon as we wake up. Now, our metabolism is not going to shut down overnight, is it? No. And just because we are not going to eat 30 minutes after waking up, we are not going to stop burning calories either. So I would suggest you to have a healthy, well-balanced breakfast, at least after 1 to 2 hours after you wake up. Yeah. And be careful not to gulp in your breakfast. Don't rush through your breakfast. Eat slowly. Please eat slowly, slowly, and chew down your food. Spend at least 10. I would optimum time is 15, but let's make it to 10. 10 minutes of mindful eating. Slow down and eat your food mindfully. Yeah. Now the second one, the most useful tip is to have at least 2 to 3 glasses of water as soon as you wake up. Now, this would eliminate all the toxins from your body. It helps in fluid retention. It also curbs your appetite. In turn, it helps us to take lesser food, yeah? And it also rehydrates your body throughout the day. Now, it also helps us to fire up your metabolism, and it also maintains your gut health. Now, third one is, as we all know, is to have your prebiotic and probiotic supplements. Now, what are probiotics? Probiotics are nothing but they're just live microorganism supplements that helps us to aid the live bacteria in our gut. And these prebiotic are actually fibers that cannot be digested by human body, but it is a supplement for the probiotics. Now, this prebiotic and probiotic supplement, it aids our immune system, and it also supports our healthy digestive system. Now, I always say our gut is our second brain. Yeah, so a healthy gut always leads to a healthy body. Now, fourth tip is to have a mini workout in the morning. At least half an hour after you wake up, half an hour to 1 hour. Yeah, it should be low impact and low intensity. You can move around, go for a slight walk, do a low cardio workout. So all these, it boosts up your metabolism, keeps you energetic throughout the day. It also helps in your bowel transit. It greatly aids in your bowel transit too. You won't feel sluggish too. It's a great mood booster too, ladies. And fifth, last but not the least, is my favorite: sip on your green tea, ladies. But keep in mind not to have these sweetened artificial green teas. Always go for healthy, organic, unsweetened green tea. Now, green tea, it's a great anti-inflammatory, and it also contains loads of catechins, which helps in metabolism, and it also helps to boost immune system overall. And it also helps us to retain fluid in our body, and it eliminates excess water from our body. And it also reduces the body fat, especially around our abdominal area. So overall, I would suggest to have a well-balanced diet. Move, ladies, move throughout the day. Be energetic and avoid stress as much as you can. Boost up your mood. and always keep your stress level at minimum and get enough rest. Sleep at least 7 to 8 hours. So hope you all found these tips useful. I'll be coming up with more. Stay fit and stay healthy.